guys. I'm over here recording where the devastation happened not that long ago here in Kerrville, Texas. As you can see, a lot of devastation. A lot of devastation going on. There's a bunch of devastation, and just taking a moment of silence because there was some people that lost their lives here because of this. And we're documenting this as video evidence of what could happen during a flood down here. A lot of stuff got washed up. When we walk you up towards the down portion of everything. There's devastation all the way to the street. Rest in peace to all the families and everyone that was harmed in this natural disaster. Pure devastation would happen. What you call it, man. I guess it could have been prevented, I want to say. Because there was people camping here, and I guess authorities could have been had a little more knowledge. But I don't know. It uprooted a lot of stuff. In this second, there's people walking, so I'm gonna put it to the ground. There's a lot of Hopefully you guys are doing good today. Just know that it could always be in a worse situation. Like I said, rest in peace to everybody that lost their lives here today. All right, thank you for tuning in.